Hi, welcome to the OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove or block availability for specific dates in your OnceHub profile. It is perfect for those days when you are off, on vacation, or just not available for meetings. We all have days when we are not working. Maybe it's a holiday, a team outing, or just a well-deserved break. And that is where this feature really helps. Instead of changing your entire schedule, you can simply block those dates in few easy steps. So let's jump right in and see how it is done. Log into your OneSub profile and click the profile icon in the top right corner and select schedule meeting availability. Go to the date specific override section and click add date override. Select the dates you want to edit and then remove the time slots. And that's it. Hit apply and you have successfully blocked your availability for specific dates in OneSub. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.